Monkey business, oh how wild. A source of fascination for all compiled. From Capuchin monkeys using tools with great skill, to baboons with complex social dynamics to fulfill. A theory exists, explaining all with the principles of the heart. Conditioning and reinforcement, an animal will learn to repeat a certain action in order to earn. But another perspective is held, that of the mind. Innate abilities, not simply learned, refined. Complex communication, an evolved trait. Not the result of conditioning, but something innate. In modern society, monkey business remains. Insight into human behavior, it contains. Evolution, cognition, the way animals adapt. The study of monkey behavior, a multifaceted fact. So watch the monkeys, wild and free. Their behavior, a mystery yet to be unveiled by science, and understood by all. Monkey business, a subject standing tall.